What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to withdraw money from Coinbase to bank account. So in this case, you might be wondering how to exactly transfer your money from your Coinbase to bank account. So this one is easy. So first things first is you want to go ahead and open up the Coinbase app. Now in here, what we need to do next is we need to access or click on the buttons that says transfer at the bottom of your screen. So go ahead and click on it. Now from here, you have multiple options. You have the option to send you crypto, receive crypto, deposit cash, and also withdraw cash, which is what we're looking for. Let's go and select that. Now from here, you can go and indicate how much that you want to withdraw. So for example, if you have $100 into your account, you can go ahead and just indicate that in here. Now also in this page, you want to go ahead and click on the transfer to option or the add a payment method option here. And from here, you can go ahead and start connecting your account. So go ahead and choose Swift account here and basically fill out all the necessary details here. So in this case, you could go ahead and basically fill out the necessary details or recipient name here. Go ahead and click on got it and fill out all the details. So in this case, you could go ahead and basically fill it up. But once you follow these steps before and connected your account here or your payment method, you can go ahead and click on preview to see how much you'll be receiving, because in this case, there are going to be some fees they need to take account for. But in this case, you can go and proceed with the cash out or withdrawal here, and from then on, you should be good. And that's about it. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.